everyone! In this video, we will talk about the effects of science and technology on environment and planet Earth. But first, let us define science and technology. Karagozoglu 2017 defines science as a body of knowledge that illuminates the way, guides to the correct path, and relieves the stress of worldly duties from the person who owns it. Meanwhile, technology is the innovation, change, and modification of the natural environment in order to satisfy perceived human wants and needs. Science needs technology in applying the rules and procedures, and technology uses science for its improvement and developments. However, as with science and technology's influences on culture and society, its effects on the environment and planet Earth can either be positive or negative. We are currently living in a world where things are rapidly changing, wherein scientific and technological advancements are transforming the way we live and at the same time leading us further into the bottom of catastrophe in the form of climate change. And scarcity of natural resources. According to the State of the Global Climate 2020 published by the World Meteorological Organization 2021, year 2020 was one of the 3 warmest years on record. The past 6 years, including 2020, have been the 6 warmest years on record. The report also highlighted the following. First, the trend in sea level rise is accelerating. Second, ocean heat storage and acidification are increasing, diminishing the ocean's capacity to moderate climate change. And third, concentrations of the major greenhouse gases such as the carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide continued to increase despite the temporary reduction in emissions in 2020 related to measures taken in response to COVID-19. In fact, the Philippines is the second most vulnerable country to climate change according to the 2020 Global Climate Risk Index. Over time, climate change can bring even more destructive weather disturbances, poverty, public health issues, economic instability, and environmental degradation. Therefore, it is a crucial decision for each and everyone to address this problem now. Every one of us should make it a priority to take urgent actions to combat climate change and its impacts. Fortunately, governments, businesses, and civil society members are coming together in implementing climate initiatives to speed up the pace of climate action. During the 2019 Climate Action Summit, some of the initiatives were to reduce emissions, build sustainable infrastructure, use nature-based solutions, and advance adaptation. Here in our country, the House of Representatives approved House Bill 6930 or the Family Tree Planting Act, requiring every parent to plant 2 trees for every childbirth, and House Bill 6931 or the Graduation Legacy for Reforestation Act, requiring all graduating senior high school and college students to plant 2 trees each as a civic duty for environment protection and preservation. These initiatives of our government are such a great move to combat climate change and flash floods during typhoons, since it is a fact that most places in the Philippines that experience floods are those areas where illegal logging is rampant. To wrap up this video, I just want you guys to reflect on these statements of Muhit Agadi. Environment is no one's property to destroy. It's everyone's responsibility to protect. Environment is not asking us to conserve her for her, but for our future generations.